Today, I'm going to show you a brand new method that lets you install any IPA file directly on your iPhone or iPad using only Safari. No P, see no AltStore, no Sideloadly, and no third-party apps at all. This method is 100% working, super fast, and safe for all iPhones and iPads. So if you've been struggling to install IPA files, this is the video you need. Let's get started. First, open Safari and go to the AppleJr.net. Once the homepage loads, you'll see several options, including the floating menu at the bottom. Tap on the Signer tab. Inside the AppleJr Signer page, I've already added a brand new certificate for you. But before you can use it to install IPA files, you must install the AppleJr DNS. This is what makes the installation process work smoothly and prevents revokes. So go ahead and tap the Install AppleJr DNS button. Just tap Allow. Then go to Settings, hit Profile Downloaded. Tap Install, enter your passcode, and install the DNS profile completely. Then go to DNS section and make sure Anti-Revoke and Anti-Blacklist enabled. Once the DNS is installed, go back to the AppleJr Signer page. Now select the certificate you want to use. My recommendation is to always try the top certificate first, because it's usually the most stable and the newest. If that one doesn't work for you, simply choose the second certificate from the list. After selecting your certificate, tap the IPA section to start installing your app. Now click the Upload button and choose the IPA file you want to install. If you don't have any IPA files yet, no problem. You can download them directly from AppleJr under the IPA source tab. In my case, I'm installing the latest Delta Executor version. So I select the IPA, then tap the Sign IPA button. Wait a few seconds while the system signs your app. Once it's done, tap Install IPA, and your iPhone will begin installing the app directly from Safari, with no third-party apps, no AltStore, and no computer required. After tapping Install, you'll see the app appear on your home screen, just like a normal App Store app. But before you can open it, you need to verify the developer. Go to Settings, hit General, VPN and Device Management. You'll see the certificate you used earlier. Tap it, choose Trust, and then tap Allow and Restart. Once your device turns back on, the app is fully verified and trusted, and you can open it just like any normal app from the App Store. And that's it. You've successfully installed an IPA file directly on your iPhone using only Safari. No computer, no AltStore, and no third-party apps. If you want me to upload more IPA files, test other apps, or update the Signer certificates, just drop a comment below and I'll respond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.